Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Science Studio321. Today we have this question and we have to solve this question for the value of m, and there are two methods to solve this question. So let's try both the methods. First we will uh, apply the method which is a little bit longer, but let's try it. So first of all we will take square on both sides of this equation. So after taking square on both sides, this 32 will become 32 square, and this square will cancel this square root. So this equation will become then m into square root of m into square root of m into square root of m, because this square will cancel this first square root, so m will come out of the square root. And now we have to eliminate this square root. So for this we will take square on both sides again. So let's take square on both sides again. Now this square and this m will become m square, because this square is on the whole value. So this m will become m square, and this square will cancel this square root. So overall this will become m square into m into square root of m into square root of m, which is equal to 32 power 4, because this 2 power 2, here we will apply power of power rule. According to power of power rule in exponent laws, so if we have a power m all power n, it is equal to a power m into n. So m into n means that 2 into 2 equal to 4. And now this m square into m will become m power 3, yeah, or m cube. And now again we have to eliminate this square root. So again we will take square on both sides, and here we have added this m square into m. According to this exponent rule, if we have a power m into a power n, it is equal to a power m plus n. So that is 2 plus 1 equal to 3. So this will become m cube or m power 3. And now after taking square on both sides again, so now this square will multiply with this power, so it will become m power 6. And with this square will cancel this square root. So this equation will become m power 6 into m. This m will come out of the root, and then this square root of m, and here we have 32 power 4 all power 2. And now this 4 will multiply with this 2, so it will become 8. So now this will become m power 7, because m power 6 plus 1 equal to m power 7 into the square root of m, which is equal to 32 power 8. And now again we have this square root, and we have to eliminate this square root. So again we will take square on both sides. So after taking square on both sides, now this m power 7 will become m power 14, and this square root will be cancelled with this square. So overall this will become 14, m power 14 into m, and which is equal to 32 power 8 all power 2. So now this will become 8 times 2 equal to 16. That is 8 into 2. So this will become 16, and this will become m power 15. So this is our value. Now we have to find out the value of m. So for this we have to eliminate this 15. So how can we eliminate this 15? So for this we will take power 1 divided by 15 on both sides to eliminate this 15. So we have taken 1 divided by 15 power on both sides. So this will become 15 divided by 15. And here this 1 divided by 15, because we have taken 1 divided by 15 power on both sides. So now this will cancel, this 15 will cancel this 15, this will become m. And here this 32, we can write 32 as 2 power 5, because 5 times 2 equal to 32. So we can write 32 as 2 power 5. And then this this power 5 will multiply over here. So 5 into 16 divided by 15, and then this 15 will cancel with this 5. So this will become 16 divided by 3, because here this 5, so 5, 3 times 5 equal to 15. So here 3 and here 16, and this 5 will cancel. So overall we will have a 16 power 16 divided by 3 in power. And now we can write this 16 divided by 3 as 16 into 1 divided by 3 in power, and the power 1 divided by 3 equal to cube root. So therefore we can write this as cube root of 2 power 16. Now this 2 power 16 can be written as 2 into 2 power 15, which is equal to 2 power 16. Why? Because if we add this 1 plus 15, which is again equal to power 16, so therefore we can write this 2 power 16 as 2 into 2 power 15. And again we can write this 2 power 15 as 2 power 5 all power 3. So 5 times this 5 into 3 equal to 15. So now here this cube will cancel this cube root. So this 2 power 5 will come out of the root, and like this we can write this. First of all, we can write these values separately. That is cube root of 2 and then cube root of 2 power 5 all power 3. So first we have written this as separately, and then we can cancel this cube with this cube root. So this 2 power 5 will come out of the root, and cube root of 2. So this is our final answer, which is equal to this power 2 power 5 equal to 32, and into cube root of 2. And here if we multiply this 32 with this cube root of 2, so it is approximately equal to 40 point something. So this is the answer of this question, and now we will try the second method to solve this question. So second method is very easy, and you have to understand the basic of this square root or radical. As we know that if we have a square root of m, this is equal to m power 1 divided by 2. And if we have double square root, that is square root into square root of m, this is equal to m power 1 divided by 4. Why? Because this square root is equal to power 1 divided by 2. So if we multiply 1 divided by 2 two times, so it means that it will become 1 divided by 4. 1 divided by 2 into 1 divided by 2 equal to 1 divided by 4. So it's also, you can say that 1 divided by 2 is equal to half. So half into multiply by half, which is equal to 1/4, that is 25%, you can say. So now if we have 3 times square root, that is square root of square root of square root m, so this is equal to 1 divided by 8. And similarly, if we have 4 times this square root, this will be equal to 1 divided by 16. So now we will put these values in this equation. So for this we will put 1 divided by 2, and for this value we will put 1 divided by 4, and for this value we will divide 1 divided by 8, and for this value we will put 1 divided by 16. So let's put these values in this question. So our question will become, this will become m power 1 divided by 2, here 1 divided by 4, here 1 divided by 8, and here 1 divided by 16, which is equal to 32. And now according to exponent rule, if we have same bases, then their power will add. So now we will add all these powers. So we will take one base common, that is m, and we will add this 1 divided by 2 plus 1 divided by 4 plus 1 divided by 8 plus 1 divided by 16. So Now we can take LCM of all these values, and 16 is the LCM. So after taking 16 is LCM over here. So here we 16 when divided by 2, it is equal to 8, and 8 will multiply with this one, so it will become 8. Here this will become 4, because 16 when divided by 4, which is equal to 4, and 4 will multiply with this one, so will become 4. And similarly 16 when divided by 8 equal to 2, and 2 will multiply with this one, which is equal to 2, and 16 divided by 16, so here we will have this one. So now if we add 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1, this is equal to 15. So overall this will become m power 15 divided by 16, m power 15 divided by 16, and here we have 2 power 5. So now to eliminate this 15 divided by 16, we will take the reciprocal, that is multiplicative inverse of this. So the multiplicative inverse of this will become 16 divided by 15. So we will take 16 divided by 15 on both sides. So after taking power 16 divided by 15 on both sides, here this 15 will cancel this 15, and this 16 will cancel this 16. So here we will have m power 1, and similarly here this uh, 5 and this 15. So this will become this will cancel this 15, it will become 16 divided by 3. And as we have solved in the previous section, we can write this 2 power 16 divided by 3 as 32 into cube root of 2, which is our answer. So I think the method number 2 is easy comparatively. Only the thing is you have to understand the meaning of single square root, double square root, triple square root, and 4 times, that is tetra square root. Then you can solve this question easily. So I hope you will have understand the solution of this question. If you have any kind of question regarding this question, you can ask me in comment section. Thank you for watching.